Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today, we're going to show you how to install the PCSX2 emulator and play your favorite PS2 games on your PC. Download link for the PCSX2 emulator is available in the video description. For game downloads, I'll share a Telegram group link as well. What is PCSX2? PCSX2 is a free and open-source PlayStation 2 emulator. It allows you to play PS2 games on your PC with enhanced graphics and performance. To use PCSX2, you'll need a PS2 BIOS and GameISO files. Enhanced graphics and performance, enjoy your favorite PS2 games with higher resolutions, improved textures, and faster frame rates. Save states, save your game progress at any point and continue from where you left off. Customizable controls. Map your keyboard or controller to your preferred controls. Save states, save your game progress at any point and continue from where you left off. Customizable controls. Map your keyboard or controller to your preferred controls. Download the latest version of PCSX2 from the official website or link for is available in video description. PCSX2 uses plugins for various functions like graphics, audio, and input. This is not a complete installation video. This video doesn't cover full installation. Full installation we will check in next upcoming videos. Not all PS2 games are fully compatible with PCSX2. Some games may require specific configurations or plugins to work correctly. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. If you have any questions, leave a comment below.